Ava Easley is going to begin our list of birthdays today, and that is her dog, Gunnison. A beautiful dress for Miss Ava is celebrating her 9th birthday. And Ava, I want you to know that these wishes come with love from Mom, Dad, Gigi, and Papa. You can find both Ava and Gunnison in Joplin.
All right. And next up we have Caroline Bush. Pretty in her little dress
What up,
there.
Caroline?
10 years old for Caroline in Pittsburgh.
Cooper's Eyes is turning 13. Coop, welcome to the teenage years, my friend. A happy birthday to you in Columbus.
In Chinook, Kansas, Macy Clouch celebrating birthday number 17 this year.
Run out to Thayer for Tanya Woolery's 48th birthday. Miss Tanya, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, our neighbor in Crestline, Miss Sue Moore, happy birthday.
And a 50th anniversary for Ron and Jan Daniels. Marvelous picture right there. Ron, I love that shirt. That is awesome. Congratulations to Ron and Jan as they celebrate half a century in Altoona.
Yep, who's celebrating? This guy.
That is great.
All right, and we've got a, how is she already 15?
I don't know. I couldn't believe it when I looked at the list. I'm like, Zoe's 15?
Zoe Elmore
What?
in Columbus, 15 years old. And this is why this is so amazing. Okay, so come this October will be my 16th anniversary here. So I remember when Zoe was born.
I was going to say, I remember when she was born.
I remember when she was born. She is the granddaughter of one of our KOAM moms, our business manager, Rhonda Zook. Wow.
Happy birthday, Zoe.
Happy
Have a great
birthday,
day,
Zoe.
kiddo. I shouldn't call you kiddo anymore. I should call you young woman now. Happy birthday, kid. Krista Pierce, she is turning 50, and so Krista, we said we're going to give you a screen all to yourself. A very happy birthday to Krista in Miami. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this September the 8th. Here's where you can send your pictures and info to birthdays@koamtv.com. You can also find us on the interweb at koamnewsnow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Yeah, while you're on the interweb, make sure you check out the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to the interweb and sign up, and then you get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.